Welcome to 106 Roxborough Drive, one of Rosedale's significant heritage homes, located on the beautiful Rosedale Park. This house is known for its beautiful curb appeal and its unique architectural design. Boasting over 5,000 square feet of living space within 3 stories, it's a remarkable property. Come for a visit. Upon entering the Grand Central Hall, you immediately notice the high ceilings, abundance of natural light, and the functional layout perfect for entertaining. Pass through the foyer and you step into the lovely dining and living room with new floor-to-ceiling windows and beautiful hardwood floors. Cross the hall to the open concept family room with floor-to-ceiling stone-clad gas fireplace, wrap-around bay window, and light-filled space connecting through to the large chef's kitchen. This well-designed kitchen has a large Caesar stone island, custom cabinetry, and top-of-the-line appliances. Tucked away in the back of the house is a nice-sized main floor office and sitting room. This space offers direct access to the double built-in garage. Ascend the gorgeous staircase with its intricate handrail. On the second floor, there are 3 generous-sized bedrooms, all with high ceilings and large windows, providing beautiful views of the streetscape and front gardens. This floor also has a cozy office study space with a walkout to a large rooftop deck. The 3rd floor of the house features the primary suite with a cathedral tower-like ceiling and large windows sitting high above the treetop. The luxury spa-inspired 5-piece ensuite features heated floors, a freestanding bathtub, double sinks, a large shower with built-in bench, and a separate water closet. This space also features a dressing room with custom built-ins and a vanity table. Down the hall is a 5th bedroom with a small loft and a 3-piece ensuite. The lower level has a recreation room, bar area, and is complete with a wine cellar. Thanks for visiting 106 Roxborough Drive. If you have any questions or you'd like to come for a visit, please reach out.